Okay.
Hi Bhujiya.
Hi Kiara.
What are we making today?
So today we are making very simple bread basket chaat.
Well, that sounds interesting. What do we need for it?
For the bread basket, we need a rolling pin, we need a bowl,
Okay.
and we need bread. I am using brown bread. You can use white bread also. So first, let's roll the bread.
Okay.
Rolling is quite tricky and fun.
Yeah. So how thin do you want it to be?
Not much.
Okay. Okay, I am done. What's next?
Take a bowl and cut the bread.
Okay, like this?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. I'm nearly done. Do you make this often?
Not often.
Oh, I see.
Chaat is the most famous street food in India.
Oh, wow.
Now take a brush and put butter on the bread, both sides. Little bit grease the tray.
Okay.
Put the bread gently inside the mold
Okay.
like a basket shape.
Do you have to preheat your oven?
Yes, at 220 degree
220.
for 10 to 11 minutes.
Okay.
What one thing you like about India?
The curry. I like the spiciness of the curry. It has lots of flavor and yeah, I love the curry.
Yes,
What do you like about India?
I love everything.
If I visited India, what part should I go?
Go here.
I'll definitely go there. Is your oven ready? Because mine is.
Yes.
I'm going to go and put this in the oven.
Now let's make the filling.
Okay. How do you make the filling?
For the filling we need potato and onion, tomato and sprouts.
Okay.
And spices are chaat masala, salt and black pepper, cumin powder.
Okay.
You first take a big bowl.
I have a big bowl. What are we going to do?
In a big bowl, put all the vegetables.
Okay. So the potato.
Sprouts also.
And the onions.
And then mix them all
Okay.
nicely. And then put the spices.
Okay. I like the smell of the Indian spices.
Oh, thanks.
Is this okay?
Yeah, fine.
Thank you.
You can put any tangy flavor chutney.
Okay. When do you usually eat this dish?
This one,
Yes.
anytime. And whenever you feel like eating spicy food.
Oh, I see. When did you start cooking?
When I was 3.
When you were 3?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, my baskets are done. How are your baskets doing?
They are ready. Mine are here.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Nice and crispy and golden in color. For the final assembling, first put the filling in the basket.
Okay. Do you fill it right to the top?
Yeah.
These look so cute.
Yes. We can eat the filling like this also like a chaat.
Oh, okay.
Put little bit of mint chutney.
Okay.
And now put agar tangy chutney. Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
So now you put Bhujiya on the top. It looks lovely.
Yeah, it does. Lots of colors.
I love the Bhujiya.
love it too.
Cute baskets are about to get ready.
Those look so good.
Yours are also amazing.
Thank you. Can we taste it?
What do you do before eating?
Oh, before eating in Japan, we put our hands together and we say, "Itadakimasu."
Itadakimasu.
Wow, you're so good.
And in India, we say a prayer. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet.
Thank you, God, for the world so sweet.
Thank you, God, for the food we eat.
Thank you, God, for the food we eat.
Thank you, God, for the birds that sing.
Thank you, God, for the birds that sing.
Thank you, God, for everything.
Thank you, God, for everything.
Yes.
That's great.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is so good.
Yeah. So, Oishi, did you like it?
I like the crunchiness of the Bhujiya.
Yes.
Thank you so much for teaching me how to make this, baby. It was so easy, and I definitely will definitely try this again sometime.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I wish we can do another collaboration soon.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for teaching me today.
Welcome. It was great cooking with you.
It was so great being a student. You're a good teacher.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So thank you so much for joining me today. So until next time.
Okay, bye. Arigato.
どういたしまして。